Get ready to take your video to the next level with our expert videography services, now available with green screen technology. From product demos to corporate interviews, our green screen technology enables us to seamlessly integrate any background, making your video look professional and polished. The Center for E-Learning, UMS, is proud to announce the launch of the Video Recording Studio, which is currently available for the whole staff at UMS for the express purpose of creating video content for lectures, training, and professional video creation. Here are some example videos that PEP Studio has created.
Hello and good morning everyone. Salam Malaysia Madani. I hope all of you are doing well. Welcome to this course.
If you have any questions, please email me paulpeisong@ums.edu.my. See you in the next lesson.
The perfect shot is just a booking away. Reserve our green screen service today at PEP Studio, UMS.